Hi, I'm Donna Lynne. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken parmesan. I'm starting with 2 large chicken breasts, about 1.5 pounds, 1.75 pounds combined weight. I'm going to take a mallet and pound them to tenderize them. I'm doing this between 2 pieces of plastic wrap so that I don't make a mess everywhere. Now that I've finished pounding them to tenderize them, I'm going to cut them into strips. The chicken's been tenderized and cut into slices, so now I'm going to dip it in 2 eggs, which I've beaten, and I've got 2 cups of seasoned Panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to heat my pan over medium heat and put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. I'll let that get heated up. So now I'm going to dip each piece of chicken into the egg. And let the excess drip off, and then coat it in the panko on all sides. And then just put it into the pan with the olive oil. I'll let that cook about 6 minutes on each side. I cooked the chicken in 2 batches, so I added additional olive oil to the bottom of the pan so they wouldn't stick. The chicken is not cooked all the way through either. I'm going to be finishing it in the oven. I'm going to top the chicken with some of my homemade tomato sauce. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese on each. And some shredded mozzarella. And you can use as much as you want. I'm going to put these in the 370-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I let this bake for 20 minutes at 375 degrees, and it looks amazing. This chicken is so tender. Using the mallet on it really does wonders. And the combination with the sauce and the cheese, it's really good. I hope you try this recipe at home, and if you do, let me know how it turns out by leaving your comments below. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Make sure you share with your friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.